what street are we now? You know where we are? The back I
town.
A town a bit. Don't know. The cable will be. Cable is ready.
Last time we was in city center, but
City center.
but now we're in town.
Over town, if let's say you are missing that, God forbid. But I do it off and they give you. What's the name of your mother?
Olo.
Olo who?
Oloma.
Oloma who?
My mom.
What about your father?
Chimeze.
Chimeze who?
Chimeze, my dad.
So what about your name?
Chimemere.
Chimemere who?
Chimemere better.
Chimemere better.
Yes.
So what's their father's name?
Chimeze.
Your son name?
My son.
Yes.
I don't know what's my son name.
Don't know what's your son name? How old are you?
I'm 5.
5. Don't know your son name. What school are you?
St. John Lloyd.
And what level of school you are now?
Level 2.
Okay. Well, we got from my if you could tell your son name, your mother ABC. Bye bye.